On board the Carnival Horizon, the ever-popular Carnival WaterWorks has been transformed into a Seussical playground with favorite characters from the Dr. Seuss children's stories. There are 2 slides to enjoy. The Cat's Hat takes you on a swirling ride on board an inner tube and down a red and white striped slide with an open section at the end. The Fun Things slide offers a surprisingly wild ride of sharp twists, turns, and increasing speed. On the tamer side, there was a giant hat ready to soak, a pair of kiddie racing slides, and a variety of spray nozzles and fountains. Get out there and get soaked.